We are at Dunraven trailhead. It only took us about 22 minutes to get here from the Best Western Estes Park. We're unloading. Got all our gear up here. Jared's on the truck. We're leaving now for 2 nights and 3 days. And today we've got an 8 to 10 hour hike. How many miles, babe?
9.7.
9.7. Dang. How much did your pack weigh?
A little under 30.
Mine is about 35 pounds and Jared's is about 23 pounds.
30, you mean?
Wait, is yours 30 now? How much did your pack weigh?
30, I think. I didn't measure it last. I was at 25, and then I added a couple of shirts.
The good thing about this hike is the fact that we are pretty much most of the way we're alongside this water. So it's nice and cool, and we don't have to worry about water either in case we need to filter. So that's nice. This is a little is our little pit stop. We're gonna be stopped for about 7 minutes and then keep going. We gotta make good time.
We are? See? 25% off.
Wish that hat was 25% off.
I wish the hat was off. Wow.
And all this gear was 25% off.
Weight-wise, it was 25% off. It'd still be heavy.
Hey, that hat when you take it off makes it look like your hair's done.
Really?
Yeah.
What's my hair look like? Woo! Yay, we mate with the river again. Jason just collected some water from the stream and now we're gonna treat it. When Jason was collecting the water, this screws on top of the Nalgene. There's a screen filter inside there. Just dry that off. Switch on your pin and you just need to stir it around for about 2 minutes. Good. Want some?
Oh yeah.
Nice and cold.
That tastes fresh too. We're at the peaks. Snowy peaks. Dude. Alright. Definitely worth the climb so far. We have got just a little over a mile, I think, to our campsite. Hopefully, not too much farther. It's cleared out for show.
We made it
Yeah, we chose campsite 1.
because there's all those left.
That's because that's it.
It's not bad though.
The
It's
water's not too far. If we go towards like camp number 2, you can get down the lake, I think, from there. So
It was nice and shaded.
Or a stream would be fine. One of those little streams too. We don't have to go all the way to the lake. I heard some water.
I didn't actually see one of the streams, did you?
I mean, I heard them, but getting to them might be tricky.
Well, that back down from where we came from.
Yeah. That might be the best place.
Yeah.
Kind of a trek up
We can
though.
kind of hike around here and find something better maybe.
We made it. There's where we put our tents for the night. Right over there.
There's a mosquito.
It's not bad. A lot of room here. Don't feel like I can take another step with my pack.
Man, taking the pack off, going a half mile and back, and then you get back and you put the pack back on.
And then have to camp out.
Jeez.
Hike all the way up
Without
here.
the pack, it's like
I can run.
So we're surrounded by mosquitoes. Lots of them. They're flying overhead. You can't really see it.
I kind of think they're settling down.
But we're all wrapped up.
It's also cold though.
Yeah, it's cold, so this kind of helps. Let me show you this. This, ladies and gentlemen, is how we keep our devices plugged in and charged. So this will be 100% in a few hours, and we'll be ready to go tomorrow. That's my watch and an iPhone next to a 011 case. And there's Morgs chilling.
Hi.
Chilling like a villain. Oh,
We're in the absolute wilderness. I don't think I've ever been this wilderness before, ever. The only thing you can hear is water rushing at the creek nearby and some birds. No cars, no planes, no police sirens. We out here.
we'll be back.